Here in Saskatchewan, unfortunately, that is not covered. Only 25% of the actual surgery cost is covered. Not to mention the way it's set up is a person has to go over to CAMH in Toronto, and CAMH is a Canadian addictions mental health organization out there. So when someone here in Saskatoon has to go over there for two separate interviews, and none of that traveling or accommodation to go to those interviews in person, it has to be in person. That's not covered. And then once CAMH says, okay, well, this person can go get their surgeries. Okay, so then the person who goes out of province has to go out of province for any surgeries. Um, their travel, their accommodation is not covered for that surgery. And only 25% of that actual surgery cost is covered. So that doesn't include the before or after care. So you can just imagine how the government is only covering to pretty much knock you out, you know. That's all it is, just the anesthesia is what you get. So it's very hard on trans folks here in Saskatchewan to start to live the lives that are going to be fulfilling and successful for them. And I always feel like I'm hitting this wall right now, and I just want to be seen as a person, and I'm happen to have a little anomaly with me where, you know, I need surgery to be able to have a loving and fulfilling and successful life. Sure, I'm doing that right now, but it's very taxing on my own mental health. It's hard as well because there have been times where I've hurt my ribs. There was the 2 Halloweens ago,
Yeah.
where I pulled something in here because of binding, and I was in bed for a good 4 or 5 days,
Yeah.
trying to recover. And there are times as well where my back hurts like hell, and I think by the time I get surgery, we're gonna start seeing that my ribs they've shifted because I've had to bind for so long. So it's not cosmetic, you know.